You saw my previous video where I showed you how to be able to use Apify with their Apollo lead scraper. I got bad news for you. It's not available anymore. It got taken down. It's gone. And in its place, they've given us this Apollo lead scraper directly from Apollo, but it's got its own issues. It doesn't really run. And if you look at it, it's $30 per thousand leads. That is ridiculously expensive. And so for several days, people have been letting me know, oh, your workflow's broken, Brad. It doesn't work. The thing got taken down. And I've been checking every day on Apify, seeing if something was going to pop up that would allow us to be able to have those inexpensive leads once again. And I'm grateful to say that something did. In fact, it's by the same people who did the original Apollo lead scraper. Now they have a leads finder, $1.50 for 1,000 leads with emails. I've tested it. It works really well. And so I want to go ahead and just tell you about this really quick, because this is going to be what you're going to be able to use in order to get those leads now. So it's really simple to find. It's by CodeCrafter. It's just the lead finder. Not many people have found it yet. In fact, honestly, I didn't even see it on Apify until just yesterday. I'm recording this on Wednesday, October the 1st. So September 30th was the first time I saw it pop up. So you're gonna be one of the very first few people to be able to get in and use this one. It works pretty much the same as the old Apollo lead scraper did by CodeCrafter. You put in some basic information, it'll then return some fields or some items for you of the various people who have that information. So email, phone numbers, company address, company size, keywords, all the stuff that you know and love from the scraper. It works more or less the same here in Apify as well. So you just come in, you're able to put in job titles, like marketing manager. You can include locations, exclude locations. If you want the email status to be validated, it comes kind of pre-equipped with that as already validated. You can do company website and domains if you want. If you want to search for specific domains and find the people working at that company, you can search by company size. So you have different categories, 0 to 1, 11 to 20. So there doesn't appear to be a 2 to 10. That's interesting, but I know it's in the API 2 to 10 exists. Oh, 2 to 10 is already here. That would be why. Silly me. Industry, you can pick what industry you want it to be a part of, just like you could do with Apify. You can include keywords, as well as limit by minimum revenue or maximum revenue. If you want them to have been funded, that has the option as well as what other technologies they're using. So this is my now new go-to. I had been working on building a replacement for the Apify scraper because Apollo's wasn't even on Apify. It has been broken since basically they put it up. And so I spent a day and a half trying to rebuild something that would do like this using Apollo. Apollo's super expensive though, but for $1.50 per thousand leads, you just can't beat it. So if you have not been aware of this yet, here you go. I'll be putting out a workflow that goes with it really shortly. And hopefully this helps you guys make some more sales. And if you think this is going to be helpful for you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. It really does help. Looking to take your AI development further with more tutorials and free N8N workflows? Simply click the link in the description below to go to our free school community, where you can find many more AI and N8N tutorials, as well as all of our starter workflows that will allow you to start building AI tools directly into your business. And if you're serious about building AI automation tools into your business using N8N, be sure to check out our advanced community, where we give new tools each week that will actually make a difference in your business. This is where we keep all of our exclusive tools and resources for committed business owners looking to ride this AI wave. In addition, you'll get direct access to me to help you through your setup and tech issues, our business building course library, and so much more. And as always, I'm Bradford Carlton. Let's automate your success together.